If your printer is not printing, you send the print command, but it's not printing anymore. The printer is online, printer is pingable, but still you are not getting the prints. So here are the few settings which I'm going to show you that might help you. So let's say I'm using this printer. As you can see here, this printer is default printer and printer is not offline. So my printer is reachable. So here are the settings. Right click on it, click on properties, preferences. Here on the basic, you have to make sure the following. If you are using any model of Toshiba eStudio or any printer which gives you this kind of interface on preferences and basic page, here you can see it shows us A4, A3 and A4 again, and also the side paper tray which is selected. Let's say I put paper in this, but somehow this tray is selected, then the printer will not print. You have to make sure that A4 is selected instead of this. Or if you are printing from this tray, you have to make sure that paper are placed on this tray as well. 80% of people use this tray for A4 printing. So make sure that this is selected. If this is not selected, if it's on this outer tray, or if A3 is selected, your printer will not print, though you can see that your printer is online. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.